അറിഞ്ഞില്ലേ ബിഹൈൻഡ് സൈസിൽ കുട്ടികൾക്കായി ഒരു ഷോ 10 വയസ്സിൽ താഴെയുള്ള നിങ്ങളുടെ മിടുക്കരായ കുട്ടികളുടെ സെൽഫ് ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ വീഡിയോ താഴെ കാണുന്ന വാട്സ്ആപ്പ് നമ്പറിലേക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് അയച്ചോട്ടോ. ഇനി നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോ കാണാം.
എന്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട പ്രേക്ഷകരെ,
1 second. What?
Don't doubt me, I'm saying the right thing.
എന്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട,
Where is your finger?
എന്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട,
ഒന്ന് കാണൂ. Super. I think you will get a movie in Malayalam also now after this.
So, can you recollect some of the Malayalam dialogues?
Podapatti.
Oh,
Yay!
She in fact called me Podapatti.
very nice, Perli, very nice. Who is the better Ludo player among you guys?
I am.
Me. I have 10,000.
I don't believe in 1 second. Stop rubbish.
Okay.
And I'm the champion. Okay?
We are a team, so yeah, it's okay.
Right now we're not a team, Pearly. Right now we're
No.
Exactly. Now I realize what you guys were doing in the sets, okay?
Wait for the movie and the BTS videos that we both are going to be having a BTS war.
In our movie Ludo, the letter U was written in dash color.
Green. It was green.
Perli!
Oh, look at this Malayalam connect is very deep. Huh? You're hurting because she's losing. She's checking it. She's checking it. This question is
Where was that
cancelled. She's checking it.
Shut the hell. Your hair is crossed.
What? Your win is also my win, but my win is only my win.
Yeah.
The most interesting or attractive thing about Perli. Oh my God!
It is.
Aww.
For you, I'm not telling you this. So you pull your earplugs out. I will only tell Veena about this.
And right now I love you too.
Oh, did she
thank
just
you.
propose you on? She says I love you. என் செல்ல குட்டியே, என் கண்ணின் மணியே, நீ காட்டும் கோபம் காதல் என்று உன்னை கட்டி அழைக்க ஒரு முத்தம் கொடுக்க என் நெஞ்சம் தவிக்க.
So, Perli Mani and Rohit Sharaf, welcome to the show Ice Break with Veena.
Thank you so much for having us, Veena.
Okay, so guys, let me ask you, Ludo is life and life is?
Ludo.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, Rohit, I happen to know that half of the Ludo crew learned Malayalam through Perli Mani. So, can you recollect some of the Malayalam dialogues? Take it as a task, challenge.
I'll tell you.
Okay, I'm waiting.
The one that starts with Poda.
Podapatti.
Oh,
Correct. Yay!
That I learned.
very nice, Perli, very nice. There were so many famous Perlish dialogues over here, and Perli taught you Podapatti.
Yeah, she taught me She in fact called me Podapatti.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Chumma, just chumma.
Perli?
See, whenever I got angry, I used to talk to him in Malayalam so that he won't understand. गाली देने के लिए मैं सिर्फ Malayalam use करती थी.
Okay, Perli, tell me something funny about Rohit also.
Look at
I
his
know you
face.
guys
He's
were-
the cutest and funniest boy ever.
Thanks, yeah.
And Rohit and I used to try out all these filters together. I have so many BTS pictures which I am not posting now, but after the release I will be posting. So I have so many pictures, Rohit. In there's one video where he's literally like irritating me so much that I'm like thinking, should I quit this film? That much he irritated me. Because we used to have usually the caravan, the vanity would be separate, right? So we would open the door in between and we would turn it into one single
Massive vanity where that we would share.
Massive vanity. And we would have a speaker and both of us would fight for the song.
It was a
like,
party
play that
inside
song.
a vanity because even like our teams, we had like one big team of like 5 people and it was me and Pearly and it would be one massive van where the music
Yes.
would be blaring all the time and she'd
Yeah.
be irritating me, I would be irritating her, we'd be playing music together, we'd be dancing together and every
And I would
single
do
day
his
was
makeup also. Sometimes there were times when
Oh
I did
my
his makeup
God,
also.
he is so handsome and you did makeup also.
He's handsome because I did his makeup today also. I told him how to do his makeup.
Oh my God, too
Without
much,
makeup.
too
Yeah,
much.
she did my makeup virtually.
Virtually, I guided him. I was like, touch up here and here. Hide those pimples. Yeah.
Pearly. Okay, leave all the Podapatti things and I will be playing a Ludo game.
Okay,
Yes.
done.
Okay.
Done.
And who is the better Ludo player among you guys?
I am.
Me. How many points
One
do you
second.
have on Ludo? Hello. I have 10,000
I don't
points.
believe in. 1 second. Stop rubbish.
Okay.
Who plays Ludo
Okay.
online? We play on the board, and I'm the champion. Okay, you don't tell me.
I play
win.
online. I play with real human beings.
Pearly plays
Random
Ludo
people.
online games. Yeah, seriously. I saw her feed every time playing Ludo online.
You know
Yeah,
what
but
I
I
do?
win in real life. Real life matters. I
See-
don't care about online.
Rohit, you know what I do? I post my room number, not my real room number, my Ludo room number as my story, and random
Okay.
people come and they start playing Ludo with me, and I lose. I lose terribly, like not even
Okay,
fourth position.
hold on. Here I'm challenging you. Okay, I am challenging
Yeah.
you. At some point before this film releases, you and I will play Ludo together, and you
Oh,
will
God.
lose. Okay, this is for
Oh,
everyone.
God.
That's
out
for
there.
you,
are going
Beena.
to lose.
That's you and Beena. Rohit and
I'll
Beena.
No, not with me. I'll be witnessing with you, when you guys will
Done,
be playing.
done.
And I'll
Veena,
be
you will
witnessing,
see.
okay?
I will win.
Okay.
Let's roll the
I
dice and see. But
Yeah,
if you
fine.
if you
Okay.
lose, don't cry, okay?
Yeah, okay,
Then
fine.
comes the second question. Okay, whoever answers first will win. Okay. A dice has
Okay, wait.
dash number of sides.
Six.
6, 8.
I win. I win. I win. I
Yeah,
win.
he won
I
already.
win.
He won. Party!
It's 6.
Party!
I said
You played
6
so
actually.
many
Then
times and you.
see,
I said it like
I
5
played
times
it
and then you
online,
said
so I
it.
never got to touch the dice. I'm sorry.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
He feels the dice. I don't
No,
feel
it is
my
common
dice.
sense. It has 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's common sense. I don't touch the dice. I don't feel it. Weird girl.
You don't
Creepy
feel
one.
it.
No.
Okay. Okay. Then comes the third question.
Yeah.
Now I realize what you guys were doing in the sets. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh
This
my
used to happen
God.
all the time.
Even for an online interview, you guys are fighting like anything.
We are not
Okay.
fighting.
Come on, third
This is
question,
how
ready?
we bond. Next question.
Oh yeah. Okay. The third question. You can start the game only when you get dash.
6.
But 6. I win. I
Late.
win.
Late. Rohit, you were
Late.
late. You were late.
You all
Exactly.
heard it.
And,
mate. There was a lag in volume, in sound. I win.
But I said it
I
first,
said
though.
Fine,
Exactly.
fine.
Who said it first?
Still
Beena?
2-1. 2-1.
Yeah,
Veena, be
Pearly said
fair.
it first. Pearly. Yeah.
Who
Pearly said
gets
it
2?
first.
I get 2 and he gets 1.
I
He
get
gets
2,
1.
you get
Oh
1.
yeah. No.
Okay, whatever.
Uh,
Okay.
both
Next
of you guys
question.
got one, I guess. Okay, fourth question. In our movie Ludo, the letter U was written in dash color.
Green. It was green. Yes.
You-
I win.
You didn't
I was so
win.
busy.
You didn't win.
It's red.
Blue!
No.
Blue!
It's yellow.
No.
Yellow.
It's yellow. You guys
I
saw
win.
it said
I
all
win.
the font colors.
He gets
Wait, one-
0.5 because he had 2 chances.
Exactly.
also
Nobody got any marks out.
I didn't-
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Can't believe I didn't
Okay,
know
then-
that, yeah? Okay. Yeah.
Seriously, both of you guys didn't know that.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Then comes the fourth question. Tell me the colors in order. Ludo. Ludo. All the colors in order. This is the real challenge for you guys. You guys were acting in the movie for
She's
such
checking
a long
it.
time.
She's
and
checking it.
somebody is
This
checking
question is
online.
Where was that
cancelled.
look?
She's checking it. She's checking it. It's cancelled.
I
This
haven't
question
seen
will be
it,
cancelled.
no. See, here it's only written Netflix and there's a dice. Where the hell is the Ludo?
It's green, it's yellow, then red, and then blue. Green,
He's
yellow,
You
looking
were
at
checking,
red.
something.
right?
He's
I
checking.
wasn't checking.
Then you have photographic memory or what? Shut the hell. You're cheating. Just that you are a better actor than I am. You're cheating and you're keeping a straight face.
Pearly,
Rose,
please.
actually you are checking. Tell me the truth. Actually you are checking. Oh, that was
Okay,
a
how
photographic
will I
memory.
check? How will I check? You tell me.
Your hair is crossed.
What? One
Okay,
second.
fine. Did he
Okay,
win? Did he
then
get
comes-
it right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he was exactly right. Absolutely
Okay,
right.
take it and go.
Okay, take it.
We both
and
have
you had
blue-
done an amazing. Yeah.
We,
He was.
we are
such
a team,
good
so yeah,
man.
it's okay.
Yeah, all of a sudden.
Right now we're not a team, Pearly. Right now we're
No.
competition.
Exactly.
See, I am proud
Like,
of I'm proud of Rohit. Whatever he does, I feel like
Oh
I'm
my
doing
God!
it.
All of a
So
sudden, all of a
if
sudden.
he wins,
Of
I
course.
win. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then Ludo is releasing in dash number of countries.
190.
190.
Over 190.
I said it. I said it. I said it.
No.
I said it.
No,
We
no,
both
no.
said
Both
it
of you guys
together.
said, yeah. That was together.
Okay,
Yes.
chal, good. Not bad.
Okay. Total duration of our movie, Ludo.
2 hours 30 minutes. 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Did you watch the film?
No, I
150 minutes.
correct.
Did you watch the film?
No,
I
I
didn't
just
watch
know
the
it.
movie. I didn't get a chance to watch the movie.
But how do you
he
know
said the
it's-
correct answer.
What do you mean? You go on Google, you'll find out.
Correct. I got it from Google actually. Pearly!
See, I'll Google it today.
Oh, look at this
See,
Malayalam connect is very deep, huh? You're hurting because she's losing. I see it.
Obviously.
Exactly.
Obviously.
She's
They
our
love me, da.
cute little. Yeah, exactly. She's our cute little curly pearly. Yeah.
I'm feeling very confident
now
now. Come
she
on,
has-
next question. Chalo.
Okay. Okay. The movie first scheduled to release on which date?
24th of
March.
April.
Correct. Correct. Pearly.
See, I don't think about
Pearly.
the past and all. I think about the future. I don't want to confuse our audience. It's November 12th. So it's going to be,
Okay.
Rohit, shut up, Yadru. Support me, no, please. At least,
Why will I support you? No, not at all. Your win is also my win, but my win is only my win. Okay?
yeah. Yeah, right. Baby
Rohit,
G,
you're too smart.
he's smart
Okay.
actually. He's very smart. He reminds me of the toppers in my class.
Okay, then comes the next question. Okay, coming to the Ludo movie, who was the chilling, easygo person among you guys?
Pearly.
I
Rohit.
was expecting this answer.
No, I'm not easygoing.
was-
I crib a lot, I whine a lot,
Yeah,
I
he-
complain a lot.
Yeah.
And Pearly didn't have
But-
any complaints. Pearly was so happy, jolly.
Yeah.
No, I would fight with him. I wouldn't let him
With
trip
me,
for a
no,
long
we're
time.
talking about set in general. On the set, you
Set
were
in
pretty,
general.
like,
Yeah.
you were pretty low maintenance and fun.
Which is why I don't even know the release date. That was April. It's too chill.
Yeah, very.
Bit chillada. Ah.
Okay, Rohit, tell us the most interesting or attractive thing about Pearly.
I think her heart.
Oh my God,
The
seriously.
most, yeah, it's the most attractive thing about her because it is
Aww.
very.
Oh,
Don't
Pearly.
take it too seriously. This is not for you. I'm not telling you this. So you pull your earplugs out. I will only tell Veena about this. I think her heart is the most beautiful part about her because it's very empathetic. It is full of compassion, and it is very affectionate. Not just for selective people, but for everyone around her. And I think that's what makes her incredibly special and very
Seriously,
talented.
everyone out Kerala has the same opinion, Rohit.
Yeah.
Seriously. And I love
Yeah.
her so much. And right now I love you too.
Oh,
Oh,
did she
thank
just
you.
propose you on?
How sweet.
She said, I love you. Oh, that's so cool.
Love has so many definitions, you know.
Actually, you know
That-
what, Rohit, you have so many fans. All my friends are like having huge crush and they just want to meet you. They want a voice note. Even today, my cousin sister and a few of her friends had come home, and they were all like, "Are you gonna be with Rohit?" And I said, "Yeah." He said, "Can we also come? Can he talk to us? Can you ask him to send a voice note?" And I usually don't
How
ask
sweet.
him for
Why you
anything.
don't tell me these things? I'll send a voice note,
Because,
whatever you want.
because I don't want to trouble you.
Rohit
See, I'm
is
so
ready to do anything
considerate.
for those goals.
Really?
Yeah, I'll do anything
You-
for fans and followers
They're,
and
they're not
lovers,
fans. They're like tentative, like future
admirers.
girlfriends and wives.
Oh, potential girlfriends.
Potential, yeah.
Right.
Potential girlfriends.
Okay, and then I'll ask Pearly, what is the most irritating thing about Rohit?
Actually, there's nothing irritating. He's too cute, and
Oh, see,
if he doesn't do
you
that,
guys,
if he doesn't
you
do
guys
that,
are playing
if he
so
doesn't,
well.
that's not Rohit. See, I had so much of fun on set, and because half of the time we'll be sitting in the vanity waiting for the shot to get ready. So Rohit and I would have such a great time together with Sharada, Ramesh Dada, and everyone, and everybody on set like Komal, all the ADs. So they would all chill with
Yeah.
us, and we would have such a great time on location as well.
Do
And
you
the
know
speaker, the
actually,
music,
like,
we dance.
do you know we were shooting this song Hamdam Hardam? Sorry, Hardam Hamdam. And I have a BTS video of that, which I'm gonna share once the film releases. To
What is that
understand
behind the
our
scene?
chemistry, to understand what Pearlie and I used to be like, you have to watch that BTS video. You will understand what exactly used to happen on set every single day. I mean, it was basically me bullying her and she giving it back to me. It was super fun. It was a lot of fun.
Is that
And
the
Rohit, did
red color hoodie wala?
It's
Red
the BTS that your friend Tia took while she was sitting at the
Yeah.
monitor and I was throwing water at you.
Pearlie didn't
That's
even
not
remember
cute.
it seems.
That's not cute. I'm thinking, what cute? Okay.
See, Rohit, did you know
Yes.
that soon after the movie, Pearlie is back home and she's pregnant? She's 6 months pregnant now. Did you know that?
He
Yeah, of
knows.
course.
He
Oh,
knows.
Of course.
yeah.
I bullied her about that also.
He
I
knew
told her
about
you
it
lose
even
all
before
your
I
hair.
announced it.
I told
Seriously.
her, yeah, I told her that Pearlie, you are going to lose all your hair. You will become
Because
ridiculously. You will put on 1,000 kgs. You will get a lot of pimples, and you will never get your skin or your hair back. I used to tell her
Seriously,
all the
And
time.
Pearlie. And
to add to all this, he's like, the baby's gonna pull your hair, the baby's gonna trouble you so much, and the baby's gonna be very sweet to me, it seems. Not me,
okay,
Rohit.
okay, I
So
really wanted to know about what was her reaction also.
I
What
shouted
was
at
her
him. I gave him
reaction?
galis. Can't say it here.
Yeah, she gave me galis.
Kodavati.
Poda Patti next level. See, I call him because I miss the set, right? So I say, I miss the set. I wish we were back on set. I miss everything. And then that's when we got to know we won't have promotions together because that's something which we all look forward to. Like we wanted to be
Yeah.
all together, and because before COVID, we thought it'll be like a great time together, going and giving interviews and doing press meets and stuff. But we missed all, and now we are all sitting at home. So that was like,
Yeah.
very upsetting
Okay,
for us. Yeah.
okay, let me ask you something. From the trailer, we got to know that you guys got 1.5 CR from somewhere. Okay. What
How
did you
did you
guys
get to know
do
that?
from the trailer? I didn't know. I
Ah,
didn't
yeah.
see
In
from
that they are
any.
saying, in that they are saying
Seriously. Yeah.
half crore.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's a
yeah,
part
yeah,
of
yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
dialogue.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And then, Rohit,
I
you
didn't
didn't
watch
see
the
the
whole.
trailer?
Of
So
course I
that's
did. What
what I was
rubbish.
about to ask you. You didn't watch the trailer, it seems.
No, of course I did. How can I not watch my own trailer?
So what's
Okay, okay.
said? Okay, yeah.
Okay. Out of that imagine you guys got 1.5 crore over a day. What you guys would not do?
Right now, if I get
I'll
1.5 crores, I think I will fly out. I will not be in the
I
country.
will
I'll be
get a
somewhere
private
else.
jet.
Okay, fly out and private jet. Fly out to some other country. So you don't want your fans over here.
My fans can be wherever I am. If I'm
Yeah, we have
I can
Instagram.
be in any part of the world and I can still connect with my fans thanks to social media.
Yeah. Yeah, social
And
media
and
is
the
there.
other one is getting a flight jet or something. What was it?
Private jet so that we can just
Pri-
travel and fly to wherever we want. And it's easier to travel that way, I think.
Such a
What would you do?
lovely dream.
What
I
would
have
you
to think
do?
about it. I'm the host. You guys are not supposed to ask me questions. Okay.
Oh, okay then.
Okay. What's your next
So,
question then?
okay, then comes the last question about Ludo. What expectations you have for the movie and what you guys want to talk to audience about the movie?
Basically, I wanted everyone to watch this film in theater because I still remember Dada saying, like, you watch it in the big screen and whenever he says things. So, this movie is done perfectly well. It's done for theaters and then now it's releasing all over the world in 190 countries. At the comfort of your home, you can watch it with your friends and your family on the same day of its release. I mean, it's I don't know. I would love to watch it in the theater, but yeah, we're gonna have to watch it in the at our
But we can
homes,
watch in the
but
comfort of our homes. Yeah.
yeah, Rohit,
And I
what do
think
you have to
safety is
say
very
about?
important right now, and I'm so glad that
Yes.
Netflix kind of took over and decided to present our film on their platform, which is, I think, incredible because of the kind of viewership they have. And also, I think I would really like it if we can just tell our fans that, please watch this film because it is a roller coaster. It is a film that is gonna make you forget everything that you probably might be going through in your life. And those 2.5 hours, the only thing you're going to do is have fun and just enjoy the journey of these 9 characters. And yeah, we've put in a lot of effort, we've put in a lot of hard work, and we'd love for you all to watch it and give us your feedback, anything, even if it's a criticism. We would love to hear it so that we can do better in future. But please watch it. It is a mad film, and you all will have a blast watching it.
Rohit,
Veena,
I want yeah.
Veena, is this for Malayali audience, this interview?
Yeah, this is for Malayali audience.
So, Rohit, I'll say a dialogue, you say that. Okay. You repeat
Yeah,
after me.
done. Yeah.
എന്റെ
Okay.
പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട പ്രേക്ഷകരെ.
1 second. What?
It just
You don't
means
get to
my
say it
dear.
so fast.
Oh, like fast. Okay. Don't doubt me. I'm
Pavam
saying the
Dei.
right thing.
Yeah.
എന്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട,
And
feel it.
Priyapata.
Like with love. എന്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട.
And Priyapata.
Where is your finger? Here, like this.
And
എന്റെ പ്രിയ
Priyapata.
പ്രേക്ഷകരെ.
Prekshagare.
പ്രേക്ഷകരെ. Please.
Prekshagare. Please.
ഈ സിനിമ
He's cinema.
ഒന്ന് കാണൂ.
What?
ഒന്ന് കാണൂ.
Unna Kanu.
ഈ വരുന്ന
ഈ വരുന്ന
നവംബർ
November
12-ന്.
12.
Whoa! Super! Rohit, I think you'll get a movie in Malayalam also now after this.
Okay.
You learned it
Yes!
so well.
If you
You
get-
pronounced it so well. He did a good
Yeah,
job,
if you
right?
get a chance to act, if you get a chance to act in Malayalam movie, will you come?
Of course, I did a Tamil film also. I would love to do Malayali.
He
Malayalam
likes
film.
he listened to all Kumbalingi night songs. I used to make him listen to all Malayalam songs. Maya
Yeah,
Nadi,
I love it. I love
everything.
it. I did a
He
Tamil film
loves
also, which should be out soon.
And
So,
Rohit,
yes.
you know what? Pearl's own lyrics and Pearl's own music got 4 million likes out here in Kerala, 4 million views out here in Kerala. Did you
He
know
doesn't
that?
know
Amazing.
that.
Yeah.
He doesn't know.
Seriously. And yeah, we are going to conclude the interview with that song. That is my last question and my last request.
Oh, so you sing. Yeah.
Yeah!
யாரிவனோ கண் தேடியதோ காத்திருந்த என் காதலியோ கண்களுக்குள் தென்றலிதோ பார்த்ததுமே மின்சாரமிதோ என் செல்லக்குட்டியே என் கண்ணின் மணியே நீ காட்டும் கோபம் காதல் என்று உன்னை கட்டி அழைக்க ஒரு முத்தம் கொடுக்க என் நெஞ்சம் தவிக்க.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Another behind the scene is coming, Pearly, it seems. All the very
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait for the movie and the BTS videos that we both are going to be having a BTS war after this movie
Oh,
releases.
Yeah.
Me and
Yeah.
Rohit.
Oh, yeah.
We're like tit for tat. He has so many videos.
Okay, and then thank you so much, guys. It was really fun. I really enjoyed, and thank you so much. And looking forward.
Thank
to
you
meeting
so
in
much,
person.
Veena, for having us for your chat. It was such a blast, and we wish you a very, very, very happy Diwali.
Thank you, Veena.
thank you.
Bye. Love you. Cinema എന്തായാലും
Thank you.
കാണണം കേട്ടോ.
Love
എല്ലാവരും
you.
കാണണേ. Bye.
Bye bye.